Welcome to another episode with my Defender 110. This time it's kind of a workshop thing and it will be about rust proofing. I bought the car in 2023 in quite a nice condition in terms of rust. It spent 15 years in a warm and dusty region of Spain. I added to that few salty months in Poland, almost a year of traveling through different terrains, and now it's time to give it a full reset. Welcome in the garage. Today is a big day. We're gonna clean D110 underneath. We're gonna do dry ice blasting. No water, no chemicals, just pressurized CO2 pellets that hit the surface, freeze the grime and make it crack off. Before, I was rather cleaning the car regularly, but there were a lot of places I could not properly clean. Years of dirt, oil and corrosion had built up. My plan for today? Do kind of a time machine for the underbody and go back to the factory as much as possible. Removing dirt, rust and, of course, keeping it stock. I really love that. The cool part is that it does not damage paint, rubber or wiring. It just strips away the years. Like here, it removes that old black layer of dirt, impossible to clean on a car wash. It's kind of satisfying. Cleaning took me 12 hours, step by step, cleaning every centimeter of the underbody. That's how it looks after dry ice blasting. Kilograms of mud, dirt and rust gone. For the first time, I feel like rust is not cracking under the seat and the car is ready for the next years of adventures. After the cleaning, I used rust converter. And it's not about hiding rust, it's about neutralizing it. The converter chemically reacts with the remaining rust, stabilizes it and stops it from spreading. You brush it on, it seeps into the pores of the metal and slowly turns that flaky orange into a solid black layer that's ready to be protected. I went over every exposed spot. Chassis, brackets, suspension mounts, wherever I saw bare metal or surface rust. It's not glamorous work, but this step makes a huge long-term difference. I've seen too many Defenders eaten away from the inside because the rust was ignored. It's not a restoration project, it's a vehicle that works hard, so I want to treat it with the same respect. If I look after the bones of the truck, it will carry me wherever I want to go. I hope so. Now it's time to wait and then do the protection layers. I will show you how that went in the next episode. See you in the next one.